Hello, today's the 17th of September, 2025. Well, I'm gonna do a taste test today. It's gonna be a little slightly different. I never had these things. I got them at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I still go into the Dollar Tree. I try to get the cheapest things there. I don't go for there's red dot things in there, which is $1.50 now. Be careful what you buy there. I'm just telling you, because you're probably wondering why you're paying out more. Anything with a red dot, or there's some stuff that's in there that doesn't have a red dot, that is $1.50 now too. The bread is $1.50, so be careful. So they do have, what I bought here is these cotton candy. There's 3 pouches in there. And they have different flavors in there. You can't tell to get what to get. And I also picked up Citrus Adventure Tictacs, which you can see it's new. Then, since I needed a drink to go along with it, Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. It's flavored sparkling water. Yeah, you can tell almost all the seams here. It's kind of like Halloween. I like that skull on there. Yeah, that's a cool skull. So, I'm going to open this first. I'm thirsty. Notice I'm doing it with one hand. Probably tastes better cold. This was on the shelf, not in the refrigerator. But not bad. Kind of tastes like mango seltzer. Take your thumb, open it up like that, and I'm gonna figure out how to put this down. I can't have it go back my way. So, alright, I think that's all. I think it only has three flavors in that. So, right here, the orange flavor. I can't tell what flavor it is. Gonna try the yellow flavor. I think that's pineapple. Not sure. And the green flavor, probably lime. Oh, but you really can't tell the flavor. They do have a nice bite to them. I have all 3 of them in my mouth right now, so I don't have to put them all together. Not bad. It's good. It's good to give you a little bit of. Tic Tacs used to be like a little bit just supposed to help with your breath. Yeah, you can see the other side over there, can't you? I'm gonna try to get you up a little bit. Alright, it's the best I can do. Now you're looking at me. Alright, open this one. I'm only going to open one. It says it's green, but on the back it says 3 different flavors. So you don't know what, it says green, so it might be what it says on the back, might not be. You open it that way. You take it, let's see if you can take it right down. Oh, it says green on there and now it's pink. Problem with watermelon. Yep. See green right there? Came out pink. Not bad. A little sugary. Need a drink from the liquid death. If I turn into the Grim Reaper, it's cause of this. And then if my breath starts smelling better, it tastes and smells like the tropical time. That's the Tic-Tac. Then this is kind of like watermelon. You're putting the sugar towards the sugar-free liquid death, which I'm gonna tell you what's on there. It says mango chainsaw. It has a skull with looks like it's dripping its flesh. But on the back, it says, this ruthless tall boy of flavored sparkling water has a twisted plan to use natural agave and exploding bubbles to murder your thirst and recycle your soul. Manufactured for liquid death for Los Angeles, California. Carbonated water, agave nectar, citric acid, natural flavor, meaning mango or orange, natural flavor, containing 0% juice. And the calories in there is only 20%. This pink stuff has more calories than that does. Yeah. Right there's the code if you want to check out for a good time. Death to Plastic. We donate a portrait of the profits from every can sold to help kill plastic pollution. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yep. Barcode. It has a warning on there. Average aluminum can contains 70% recycled material. Average plastic bottle contains only 3%. And this cotton candy, this has spooky. Ingredients: citric acid, artificial flavor and colors, FD&C red 40, FD&C blue 1, FD&C yellow 5. Not for individual sale. Contain tree nuts, milk and wheat. Well, if I go climbing a tree, you know what happened there? I'm going crazy. I was gonna go say nuts. Well, I got the watermelon first. You do not know what's inside of them. The reason why I'm eating this because it goes hard after a bit. Well, cheers to you. And the car's going by, Cars has wheels just like bus. As the bus wheels goes round and round and round and round, the bus driver does too after he eats so much. His belly gets round and round and round. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, it depends on what you eat too. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this liquid death and cotton candy and Tic-Tac. The new Tic-Tacs is out video, and guys have a good day.